To rotate a photo on your iPhone, we'll first go to the Photos app and find the photo that needs to be rotated. I don't really have any sideways photos, but let's pretend that I need to rotate this seagull picture here. First, we'll tap that little, not sure what to call it, maybe adjuster button? And then, with the adjusting tools visible, you'll tap Crop from the bottom. Crop is obviously meant for cropping your photos, so if you need to do any of that, that's available here as well. But I'm not going to crop my photo this time. To rotate your photo, you can tap the little rotate icon in the top left corner, and your photo will turn 90 degrees at a time. Hit it again, and it'll rotate more. Just tap it until you're happy, and if you need to, the button next to the rotate button can mirror your image. There's actually a lot of useful tools in this same menu. The tools on the bottom allow you to straighten a photo if it's a little crooked, and the two buttons next to it allow you to sort of distort and stretch the photo, which can be useful if your photo has a wonky perspective. These tools can sometimes undo that wonkiness and make your photo look more natural. Anyways, that's how you rotate. Tap Done when you're finished and you're all set. Or hit Cancel if you want to cancel your changes.